Did Turkey send a trained assassin to Olympics in a shooting event? Even I didn't believe it at first, but when I saw this guy, I thought, man, this is really something which should be noticed. People have gone meltdown on social media over a photo of this Turkish Yusuf Dikeç competing in 10-meter air pistol mixed team event in Paris. This 51-year-old and his partner claimed the silver, but it was unconventional approach to the competition that has seen his image go. If you can see in this picture, the most shooters in the Olympic Games use ear protection when they shoot, and done specialized glasses that observe the vision in one eye to competitors don't have to keep it closed, and sometimes feature tinted lenses to help the glare. But this guy is not wearing even those specialized glasses. He is wearing his normal glasses, eyesight glasses, and shooting the event. And you know what? He won the silver medal in this event. Can you believe? How can someone be so cool? This 59-year-old guy with no specialized lenses, no eye cover or ear protection, and got a silver medal. I mean, how can this happen? This is something which should be noticed by Olympics. This guy, how can someone be so cool and so calm and not even without a complete gadgets win a silver medal? Patrick says, dude, look like he just decided to join the Olympics when he woke up this morning. This is really the same. Ali Demigri said, the only thing missing is the cigarette in his mouth. Kyra said, I know a trained assassin when I see one. He really looked like a trained assassin. The way he's handling the gun, the way he's shooting, and his posture and his composure and his calmness, he is a trained assassin. Watch out, world. Say my name said, I think he intentionally missed the gold because it would have been too obvious. People would have known that this guy is something special. He has something special talent, so that's why he himself decided to go for a silver. Otherwise, he would have been exposed. Pio Bet said he is actually a trained military officer with a university degree in sports sciences. Bro, this is not the truth. He is a trained assassin. You better watch out. Don't let him come into your country. Frederick Fenn said it is too easy to him. The target is not moving back and not moving. Much better in the battlefield. I guess he is specialized guy in battlefield, and this thing is a normal thing for him to shoot like this. You know, in battlefield there are a lot of other activities as well, and even that in situation you have to hit something. Angel said would have gotten the gold with the right gear. Just saying. No, bro, this is not true. He himself got the silver, so he does not get exposed to the world. Mia said if he would have won the gold, it would have been suspicious, so he won silver instead. I'll believe it is not his full power yet. His full power is yet to come. Dora said even the Olympics are just his side hustle. His main hustle is assassination and target killing. Denmark said, I've seen so many assassin movies to know that the silver medal was intentional. Joseph said, actually he has a perfect vision. He wore those glasses to let the opposition have a fair advantage. Maybe that's the case. Otherwise he would have won gold, but easily. Hazim said they rent a hitman. Oh, that is very cool. Lori said, when you pick the right guy for the right job, that's the point. Right guy, right shooters. Shooters are meant to shoot, and this is the best platform to show their. And this Olympics is the best platform to show their talent. So right job, right place, right person. Rosalind said, John Wick turketization. Bing said, when did the Olympics started allowing professional assassins to compete? From now on, no one even know about this guy, but from now on, everyone will know that who is assassin and who is real sports person. We hope this guy finds his perfect job and quit this part-time Olympics experience. I hope he find more peace in life after this event. If you're first time into my channel, subscribe my channel and like the video. Meet you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.